Hey there, today I'm going to show you how to use the tape machine to reinforce a spine and also to repair a book that has a detached cover. So I like this tape machine with the 4-inch wide tape, especially when I'm processing new books because it covers the barcode and the spine label. Now, to repair a book that has had the cover detach from the book, first I'm going to put a stream of glue. I have book glue, but if you just have regular school glue, that's okay. Sometimes people like to put that in a zigzag pattern, and it just depends on your preference and what has worked well. And then I just estimate as best I can without going over the length of the book, or the height, I guess I should say. I attach it on one side, and then I carefully, with the wet glue in there still, I carefully lay the other edge and line it up as best I can and carefully attach that side. And now I go to the other end of the book and I am going to do the same thing. I usually put the tape on the hard cover first, and then I try to line it up. Oh, actually, I guess it doesn't matter. I put it on the pages first and then lined it up with the hardcover, just as long as you are able to carefully line it up. And then the final touch is putting some rubber bands around the book so that the glue has a chance to dry. I usually let it dry for at least a week, then prop it somewhere where the weight of the book is on the spine.